Hi everybody, it's Kelly Holland from Divinity Designs. Thanks for joining us for our Babies and Beyond party, where we're showing you lots of ideas for babies, children, and teenagers. This video is going to focus on animals. Children love animals, and we have lots of different types of animal sets and dies, and so we're going to get right into it with our barn. This is our barn die and our farm friends. And we just did a whole segment for our men's event last month. So you could check out our YouTube and just look for barns and animals. But I'll show you a few quick cards since they have some cute little stamps on them. Here's one. This is one with our rooster set. And here's one with the barn and the farm friends. More farm animals would be this llama tell you set. Great picture, nice stamp of a lion. I know a lot of kids are in 4-H, are learning about llamas. My friend Dawn Lusk, she's got about 25 llamas on her farm. Then we have either the set or the single. The Good Shepherd, or the Shepherd and sheep. Those both come with dies. Samples on our website. Moving into the water area, we would have Tickled Pink, either Turtle Love with the set or Sea Turtles with the two singles. Both have dies. Under the Sea, some dolphins. Deep Waters and Coral Reef. Great Catch. This was Best Dad Ever, but it's a great duck stamp. And then By the Sea. There's those animals. We have Peaceful Deer. We also have that as a single. Horses. Hamster. A Snow Angel. Murphy. Bulldog. Birthday Murphy. Sledding Murphy. This is just the dog. This is a veterinarian set, but it's got some great stamps with some pets, farm animals, and different cats and dogs. Then we have these cute sets, either the set or the smaller mini. Your Possum or Rex. Same for this, Cat's Meow or Princess. Either with the verses or without. This is a great cat set. Cat Sympathy, but this beautiful stamp of the kitten. I just love it. I think we have that as a single also. Now we have some owls. Who Loves You? Two cute cards with the owls. Very popular stamps we have is this Buford the Beaver. Here's Hunting Buford, Snowshoeing Buford, Santa Buford, Patriotic Buford, and Pool Time Buford. And here's a few card samples. Pool Time Buford, Snowshoeing Buford, Fishing Buford, and there's another one. And there's Rex. And now I have a bunch of little mini sets. Hugs and Kisses, all with cute little animals. They all contain the dies too. Forever Friends. So Sweet. Hello Foxy. Some Bunny. Snowbirds. Cute little winter birds. Here's Koala Bears. Hog Wild. And Berry Christmas. I have a few samples I could show you on those. It's a cute card. That's a a A2 center step. You see it's the smaller size, and the center portion comes out. This is our triple step. See, there's 3 sections with the Sun Bunny set. There's another one. Here's a nice shaker card with our koala bears. Some sequins. Another slimline card with the bunny set. And then we have our candy carrier with the Hello Foxy with the matching nuggets. You go to our website for more ideas.